Alright guys, Mike with Pacific Tech 03 GS300. Changing out the thermostat, they put that in wrong. Changing out the cooling temperature sensor, which is down over here. But before I even start breaking into all of this, I want you guys to take a look. It's a missing hose somewhere. The missing part of the things over here. So technicians, this is what I mean about covering your ass, and cover your six before you get blamed for other people's shit. Excuse me. Cause take a look. There's not a hose that's out. It's not a hose that's hanging. There's nothing that can indicate that there's a hose that goes over here. So it's not capped off either, because they usually cap them like this. So take a good look. Always double check. You touch it, you own it. That's all I'm gonna keep on saying and keep on repeating. So always double check everything. Double check, double check, double check. Make sure. Especially when it's coming in with a lot of codes. But cover your six at all times. So in case a customer comes and tells you you fucked up, well, this is why I like to do videos like this. Other people or other tech get mad about it, but I don't. I cover my ass. Remember, my ASC certification is on the line. Insurance can cover everything else, but as a tech, I'm covering my six. Service advisor, owner, and other technicians, and even the owner of the vehicle. So always double check things. Always cover your ass, and I mean cover your ass. And that word, cover your six at all times. You don't cover your six, you end up getting dinged, and when you get dinged, you end up having problems. So cover your six. So we're just waiting on parts. And as I'm waiting on parts, I'm starting to notice, certain things. So cover your six at all times. Make sure that everything's supposed to be where it's supposed to be at. Connected. This is a visual inspection, and right away, you already know there's a problem and there's issues. That explains why the car has cooling temperature problems. Because there's a line that's missing from here, and it's supposed to go somewhere back here. But as you guys see, that line is missing, so I gotta trace this line down all the way to where it goes. But cover your six at all times, man. This is one of the pet peeves that I always tell a lot of people. Cover your six. You don't cover your six when shit like this comes back. Be able to show the video, hey, I didn't touch this, even though I gotta go over here, but I didn't touch this side. As I'm waiting for that sensor to come in, I went and released that side, got to drain the coolant, get this side ready. All I got to do is just put that up, but this side right here is where I'm a little concerned because there's missing things. And once they have missing parts like this, I've been around where customers will go and blame the technician for leaving stuff out like that, but always cover your six. Because God knows where this line is going underneath that plaintiff, and you got to go and release all of this just to get to that line. So cover your ass. That's why we got technology today. Cover your ass at all times, and cover your six. Sorry if I'm using the ASS words, but cover your six at all times. I don't care what tech you are, whether you're a master tech like me, an engineer, or anything. Cover yourself at all times. Anyway, Mike with Pacific Tech, I'm out.